Hi, I'm Renee Darlene, and thanks for tapping in. Today we're going to talk about and tap on test stress. Now this seems to be a big one in the schools now, and especially if you're in college, this can really create havoc in your life. Now test stress is all about limiting beliefs, and we've talked about that before. But what happens when you go into test stress is your brain goes into, say, a fight or flight mode, where your reactive brain turns on and your logical, responsive brain shuts down. And it's hard to recall information that you may very well know. So today, when we tap for test stress, just keep in mind that we're going to be letting go of all of this anxiety and all of this nervousness that we tend to feel around performance. So let's start with this, the karate chop. And we're just going to start with the basic statement. Even though I have this test anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. You know, this is just one test. It's not the rest of my life. And a lot worse can happen even if I don't perform well on the test. And even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. This anxiety I have around taking this test. This anxiety. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Regardless of how I perform, I'm still a great student and a great person, and I deeply and completely accept myself. This test anxiety, this fear, this test anxiety. Even though I have this anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this nausea in my stomach, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have shallow and rapid breathing, I deeply and completely accept myself. This nervousness, this inability to focus, this anxiety around this test. Even though I have this test anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Shallow breathing, nausea, tremors, inability to think, nervousness, performance anxiety, fear of failure, fear of being chastised, anxiety, fear. Even though I have this fear and test anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. I choose now to release this anxiety I have around taking this test. Regardless of how I perform, I'm a great person. I'm worthy and I matter. This test anxiety, this nausea, rapid and shallow breathing. I release now any and all remaining anxiety I have around taking this test, and I deeply and completely accept myself. This test anxiety, this fear and stress. Great. Now take a deep breath in. You're going to do great. Now go get 'em.